Hello, it's Natasha. So happy to see you here. It's time for another episode in my Clean and Simple Holidays. And today I'm going to play with new goodies from Catherine Pooler. So these are Chilling Snowflakes stamp set and Winter Words dies. I will leave the links in the description to this video. Also, I'm going to play with new inks from Spa Collection, Sangria, Hot Tub, and Orange Peel and Pink Champagne. I think this is a beautiful color combo, not maybe very traditional for Christmas, but I think it will look really lovely. And okay, so we'll try to play with these inks today. I will also need some masking paper or post-it notes or post-it tape and some blending tools. And the idea behind today's card is stripes. I love stripes. I think it's a very easy and way to create an interesting card, and stripes can be used in so many ways. You can, if you have, maybe you have stripes, stamps with stripes or stencils, or like today we're going to do some masking and some ink blending. Okay, so are you ready? Let's jump right in. Okay, so here's the card with the new Catherine Pooler inks and new stamps and dies. So I just cut off the edges of the die cut and adhered the panel onto white card base. So I hope you like this idea with stripes. I think it's really simple way to make a quick and beautiful card. And so you just place the stripes on your card according to the rule of thirds. I have a video about the rule of thirds on my channel. I will leave the link to it for you to check if you haven't seen it. So I decided to put the stripes in the middle, and you can use a die cut word, or you can use houses, die cut houses, or you can use numbers like 2020, or well, a year that's coming. And I think this will work great for masculine cards, and you can play with your favorite inks, with your favorite color combos. And if you notice, so Catherine Pooler inks blend beautifully, so it was really quick and easy, and and blending is really smooth. No streaks of from my blending tool, whatnot. So yeah, I hope you like this idea with stripes, and you can place them like so, or horizontally. I mean, really, possibilities are just endless. Okay, so here you have it, another quick and simple, clean and simple and quick card for holiday season. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day, happy crafting, and see you again soon. Bye.